of let's see how to fix iPad keyboard in middle of screen. In the first step, go to settings, next press on general. After that choose keyboard. In the next step, open an app where you can type. Now hold down the keyboard symbol at the bottom right. After that pick talk. In the next step, go to settings. Now press on general, then choose keyboard. Later switch off split keyboard. In the next step, open an app where you can type. After that, hold down the keyboard symbol. Now move it down to the screen's bottom. In the next step, put 2 fingers on the keyboard and pinch in. After that, see if the keyboard goes back to normal. Later, if not, do the earlier steps again. You are good to go.